Hello, good day. My name is David Isamoje. I'm back with you with another t-shirt design tutorial. I've been creating t-shirt design tutorial from the beginning of January, so please, if you want to watch them, please just go to my page, click on my page, and you can see I have about 33 episodes out already. So today we'll make it the 34th episode. So please, if you want to watch, learn, and create design that you can sell on Redbubble, please watch this to the very end. If you are just joining me for the first time, please, I would advise you to subscribe. And without wasting much of your time, let's get straight right to today's one. So today we're going to be using Canva. As you've seen, I've been using Canva for the past 2 weeks. So I'll just go and open canva.com. I'll open canva.com. Once it's opened, we'll just go to create new design. Just create new design. So you go to custom dimension and you do the standard, which is 4500 by 5400 pixel. You create new, you should open a new tab, as you can see. So open on a new tab. So once it's done opening, the next step will be for us to go to upload. So it's done downloading, so we'll go to upload image, pictures. I think I already have here. This is my design. Please, I will advise you not to copy my design just exactly the way you see it. You can change the color, change the pattern, just change something, because if you upload it before you're watching this video, it would have been uploaded on Redbubble, so you get a copy what do you call it now, a copy strike, and your account might be suspended because the algorithm will seem as you copied the design. So please, I will advise you not to copy my design just the way you see it. You can do something close. I don't have a problem with you doing something close. I'm here to teach you. You're here to learn. The only thing I ask for is don't copy the design exactly, and please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on daily videos like this. So you see, this particular design, I did it myself. I designed it on Photoshop, as you can see. So these are the elements, as you can see. Every part of it I did myself. The only thing I got was this eagle, and I'll show you where I got this eagle right away. So I got this eagle from, as you can see, flat icons. This is it. So I just search for eagle in the search bar, and this is it. So I got it from flat icons, and always give credit. See, the owners of this is Freepik, that's the owner of the site, so always give them credit. So the next step now will be for me to just click on this eagle. It will appear on my Canva. It will appear on my Canva, as you can see. So now I'll just save it. I don't need to do anything more on it apart from increasing the size. So to do that, I'll just click on the design over my mouse. So you click on my left mouse click button and drag outwards, and when I'm done, I'll just move this till I see the mark. See it? That's to show it's in the middle, and I'll click on downloads. As you can see, it's going to come in white background because I'm using the free. So if you want the pro version, please just let me know in the comment, and I will send over the link to get a 30 days free pro on me. You can subscribe on your second month, but the first month will be free on me, and it's super cheap to get the background removed. So you click on downloads. Click on download. It's going to download every single part of the design. So we'll just wait for it to finish. As you can see, it's downloaded. It's downloaded. It didn't take us a lot of time to get this downloaded. As you can see, this is our design from Canva. So the next step would be for me to go over to, for those of you that don't have Canva free, you can watch all my other videos on how to do it, how to create, to remove the background. So just watch my other episode. I will not be able to go over it in this video because I'm trying to prepare a video for tomorrow on how to use Canva with tags, how to use Redbubbles, how to use tags on Redbubble to get more sales. So I'll be going over that in tomorrow's video. So please, if you know you want to watch that, please make sure you subscribe if you've not subscribed so that you don't miss the video when it's live. So without wasting much of your time, I'll just show you the next step, which is to put this design on a 3D mockup. If you followed my channel, followed my videos, you know I always have the mockup I always use. So for this one, it's this mockup. I always use this mockup. This mockup tool is gotten from Freepik. freepik.com. You can see. So the only thing I'll be changing now is this design in. So I'll just right click and go to design here, double tap, and I'll just delete that and bring in my own design. I'll go to picture, the ego, this is it. So I'll just bring it into this space. I dragged it into the space. You can see, press enter, then I'll click on save. This will help your design sale faster. If you want to promote it through Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest, it will help your design sale faster. As you can see, it's placed on our shirts. So I'll just increase it a bit and move it up. Ctrl T to do that. Over my mouse to this edge, and I'll press 3 buttons down together, my Alt key button, Shift key button, left mouse click button, and drag outwards. Drag my mouse outwards to increase. I'll press enter, then I'll save again. Just save it. Should be saved. And if I go back to the shirt, as you can see, it's right here on our shirt. So I'll just move it to the right a bit and save it. Go back to the shirt. As you can see, the design is on our shirt. Didn't take us time, it's not super complicated. So to change the color of the shirt, I can do that. I'll just double tap on this and just change the color. Change the color. You can see, just keep doing that, changing the colors. If I find something I like, I can keep doing this. Just keep doing this, changing the colors. I think I'll just leave it at this. I'll just click on save. Okay, I changed it because of the design. I want the design to be prominent. So I'll just leave it at purple. Okay, I'll just leave it at this. I'll just click on save, and that is it. So please click to your right, you see the playlist. You see a playlist showing up now. Just click on that and watch more videos so you know how to remove the background if you want to. I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Please make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss tomorrow's video. Have a nice day. Peace out. Love you all. Hope you're having a good time with family. See you guys tomorrow. One love.